Good old daffodils. I think these are my favorite flowers, even though they're really not native. But just a nice sign of spring. Spring is near. May not be all the way here yet. It's cold weather today, but it's near. Michelle's collecting her bushel of daffodils. It's a bouquet, huh? Bouquet. Howdy folks, Shawn here from hikingwithshawn.com. Today we are around Odom Tract.
Wow, that smells good.
That smells good. We're heading for a daffodils field since they're in bloom now. And we try to do it every year, but we've not been out here in a while apparently because there's a lot of tree down, a lot of what looks like logging. And then they're gonna burn out here, so I don't know. I'm sure all this stuff was blocking the road.
Yeah.
Probably came down in our windstorm. Alrighty, folks. A lot of cutting has been going on. The only thing I can think of is they're cutting it all down. They're gonna burn it, and then a year or so, it'll be let the sunshine in. But that, or they're gonna come out and log because this is all pines. So there'd be really no reason why they would cut it all out unless they plan to log it. So, all right, folks, really pretty white daffodils here. Some yellow ones over there. It's nothing like those. Those are the pretty ones. They're just everywhere. It's a field of them. A field of them. It feels better in the sun. It's kind of chilly out, windy. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Isn't that just pretty? Just pretty. Someone's driven through them. It is so pretty out here. There's some really nice patch of them. Daffodil Patch. Just pretty. Pretty, pretty. We always look forward to coming here during this. Just so many of them. It's right off the river to river trail too. So that's what's kind of neat about it. So it's pretty. It's definitely pretty. Pretty views thanks to a gas line. All right, folks, here's a really pretty Glade Barons type environment. It's part of the Odom Tract ecological area. Shawnee. It's a really pretty area. Alrighty, folks, really pretty creek, and just kind of doing some rock looking. Just looking around at rocks. folks, checking out some bluffage. There's all sorts of icicles still up. Pretty cool bluffage, like shelter type thing up there. Pretty cool bluffage. Getting over a cold. A little coffee. This is cool here. It's pretty amazing. It's right on the edge. Forest. Bordering some land with someone I know. So that's pretty rad. Alrighty, we got Gerard Falls. Alright folks, we found either a cemetery or it's a foundation of a very, very big building. So,
I mean, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I mean, it's all kind of
5, 6, 7, 8.
Kind of seems like that'd be a stairs there.
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Personally, I think
Look,
it's a foundation.
yeah, I think you're right.
Yeah,
But that's whatever it was a very big foundation.
it was big. That's crazy.